Konnichiwa, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the mouth-watering world of Katsudon, a beloved Japanese comfort food that has won the hearts of millions around the globe. But that's not all. There are some fascinating unknown facts about Katsudon that we're excited to share with you. So, let's dig in. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Katsudon is a delightful Japanese dish that consists of a deep-fried pork cutlet, known as Tonkatsu, served on a bed of fluffy rice and topped with a delicious savory sauce and beaten eggs. Did you know that the name, Katsudon, is actually a blend of two words? Katsu comes from Tonkatsu, the breaded and fried pork cutlet, while don is short for donburi, which refers to a bowl of rice with various toppings. Together, they create this incredible dish. Katsudon has a rich history dating back to the late 19th century in Japan. It was first popularized in Tokyo and quickly spread across the country, becoming a staple comfort food for people of all ages. Here's an intriguing twist: while Katsudon is commonly made with pork cutlets, there are actually variations with different proteins. Some restaurants offer chicken Katsudon, or ebi Katsudon, made with breaded chicken or shrimp, catering to various tastes and preferences. Now, let's talk about the art of eating Katsudon. The traditional way is to break the beaten eggs gently and mix them into the rice, creating a creamy and flavorful combination. Don't forget to use those chopsticks to savor each delicious bite. Katsudon is so beloved in Japan that you can find it not just in restaurants, but also in convenience stores and even bento boxes. It's the ultimate go-to meal for busy individuals who want a quick and scrumptious lunch. Katsudon's popularity has also inspired some quirky and adorable merchandise. You can find Katsudon-themed keychains, plush toys, and even phone covers, a true testament to its cultural significance in Japan. There you have it, folks, the delectable world of Katsudon and some fascinating unknown facts that make it even more special. Next time you savor this comforting dish, remember its rich history and the joy it brings to people all over the world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delightful content. Until next time, sayonara, and happy eating.